Okay, now you've got your mobile DVR installed on your vehicle and all wired up and everything. We now have to install the SIM card. Now you've got a T-Mobile card. You punch that out of the larger size. You can do a micro SIM or the larger. We need the larger. So that'll look like this sort of size. This is actually a Rogers because we're based in Canada, but it's that size you require. Now you have to open up the lock at the front here using the keys which each device came with, and you install that in the SIM slot with the metal part downwards, and then that goes into the slot, and then you just push it in and you should hear it sort of click, and there it is. That's it. And the SD card is down here at the bottom. Now we did keep this open because we have a remote control which will allow us to actually change the settings in here and put the SIM card, the cell phone number in here, and point it towards our servers. So we've got to put in the server address in here. Now to do that we have the monitor. Now the monitor is connected to the back of the DVR here, and once you've connected that you should be able to see the views from the cameras. And you'll also see some icons over here. Now we've just put that SIM card in, so it's still searching for it, but this one will be the GPS because it's connected to the GPS. It'll look for the SIM card, and you'll also have the server, and that will all pop up. Now to access the settings in here, we have the remote control. Now we press the login at the top here, and now you'll get this coming up. Now the password for this is just put in 66666. Once you're in, you now have this screen here. Now here you can move up and down the screen using the controls, and back up again. Okay. Now here you have many options, like power is when do you want the DVR to come on. Now sometimes you've got that connected to your ignition, which that'd be fine. Now time is a bit of a crucial one because you want to make sure you've got the DVR set up to how you want it to do. Whether you've got the real time in there, because that will be what will be on the video file of the time of an incident that's happened. So you now just put that in and make sure the DVR is set to the right time. And once you've done that, you just move up and down using the controls, pressing down, move across and down, and then when everything's okay, press OK. Alright. Terminal is an important one because here is where you're going to put the SIM card mobile number in here. So you'll just go in there and type it in, and you'll just type in all those numbers. On this one, going across, and you go to this one, you'll press OK, and you'll end up with this screen instead. Now you have to go along, if there's any numbers in there already, you'll have to go along and go to this box here and press OK and delete all the numbers, and then put in the numbers for the actual SIM card in there. Okay, and to come out the screen you just press escape, and there you go, and escape again, and you come back to the main menu. I'll do some more videos showing some of the other features on here which we need to go through, but that's basically the premise of how to actually go in there and set the settings.